Hello, this is Michael Paul with the New Orleans Scottish Rite College. I like to say just a few words about Masonic education. Sometimes an education program works great, but other times it seems like a waste of everyone's time. So what's a good program that has a proven chance of success? Let's look at this situation and a possible solution. Tell the truth now. I don't mean to me, I mean to yourself. In most lodges, Masonic education means a lecture, right? Have you ever been in a lodge or really any Masonic body, and while listening to a Masonic lecture, started thinking about some problem at work, an upcoming vacation, or really anything at all? Have you ever stopped paying attention to what the speaker was saying and allowed your mind to just drift away somewhere? Well, I know I have. It might be because the speaker was talking in a monotone, stumbling over every few words, or just that the subject was not holding my interest. It could also be that I had a lot on my mind and there was no problem with the speaker or subject at all. The bottom line is that regardless of the reason, I didn't benefit from the educational lecture. More than a few brothers have told me that they have experienced the same thing, often. So we say we want Masonic education. A lodge brings in a speaker every few months, or maybe even most meetings, but the members don't seem to benefit much from the event, or they are tired of the same thing again and again. Is it a waste of time for everyone to even try? Well, years ago, I spent a little time as a high school teacher. I started off by the book, and making a long story short, it didn't work. I wasn't connecting at all with the kids. So I thought back to when I was in high school. Every day, it was the same thing. The teacher would just stand there and drone on and on. So why would these kids want to hear me just go on and on? It wasn't until I started involving them and having them as part of what was going on that things started to click. So let's see if we can apply this to Freemasonry. One of the most successful things that I have seen in lodges is book clubs. It's a very simple yet successful idea. In the lodges where I've seen it done, it comes as a very welcome surprise, and it's easy to do. A group of Masons each get a copy of a Masonic book. They read it, and then the group meets with the book in their hands, and they talk about it. It doesn't matter if it's a book on history, philosophy, lodge practices, or whatever. They, of course, learn by reading the book, but then they can fine-tune their learning by all talking about what they read in the book. They get from others what they might have missed in their reading of the book. I know lodges that do this every month with a new book each month. I've seen some of these have these meetings before lodge, after lodge, during lodge, at special lunch meetings, or at a member's home. No matter where it is done, when it is done, or how it's done, it always brings Masons together to read good educational books and then reinforce their learning by sharing what they picked up with others. And the group enjoys itself. Everyone wins. It's not hard to find good books at good prices. On top of the education, book club events can build great libraries. Again, everyone wins. But don't misunderstand me. Masonic lectures are an important part of a fully rounded education program. Not only can they be beneficial, but with a little thought and planning, they can be enjoyable. But I am also saying that variety is important to keep educational programs alive and fresh. You have to mix things up so that the events stay fresh. No matter what you do, try to make everyone a part of the program. Get them involved. As for book clubs, most all Masonic book publishers give good discounts on bulk orders. I know Cornerstone does when buying only 5 or more copies of a book. Just write for details. The bottom line is that you need to keep trying and see what works best for your lodge and its members. It does pay off. Thank you for watching. If you like the videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to us. Your comments are very appreciated. See you next time.